Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you why you need WD-40 silicone spray and not the regular WD-40. Okay, so if you have vending machines or you have a warehouse or you have trucks or parts or pieces that you wanna keep lubricated, normally people use WD-40. But the problem with WD-40 and the benefit of this is it doesn't leave a residue, okay? So you can use this in your coin pass. I'll show you here in a second where you can really use this in your machines. But first off, your cart, when you have your vending cart, all the little metal you can put it on. You put it on there, you can put it in there, anywhere. No squeaky wheels anymore. You can put it in here. You can put it on metal and plastic. So this is good for metal and plastic. Cables, pulleys, guide rails, hinges, locks, and more. And you can use it on non-metal surfaces too. So, just to show you in the warehouse, this pallet jack here, keep it lubricated. The moving parts, you can spray on it. Now if you come down here, this is where I'm going to show you in the vending machine where this really takes off. So I'm in front of a Vendo 721, just out front, the T-handle. You can spray it in there, but also a really nice feature about this is the coin path. That can get jammed up with dirty coins in here. This coin path, you can remove that, put some of this on a rag, some of the spray, and wipe those pieces down, and it's not going to leave any residue or any stickiness. So highly recommend doing that. And then in general, any of your legs, you can put some in here. These slide up and down. It's gonna slide a lot smoother. It's gonna slide a lot better. So again, WD-40, the silicone spray, not your regular WD-40. Check it out. You can get it at Home Depot, on Amazon. You can get it anywhere, but you're definitely gonna want to use that and keep it with you in your vending machine business. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Have you guys been using this? But highly recommend you go pick that up. And if you need more help on vending, you want to learn more about vending, check out the link below for our ebook. And we do have courses available too. Those links will be down below. But let me know, have you used this, yes or no? And as always, remember, until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.